Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW M4 versus i4. We'll explore their fundamental distinctions, from power sources to driving dynamics, helping you understand which model best suits your preferences. The M4 represents traditional BMW performance with its powerful gasoline engine, while the i4 embraces the future as a fully electric vehicle. Both offer a premium driving experience, but their core technologies and overall character differ significantly, impacting your daily drive. When it comes to performance, the M4 boasts a robust twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six engine, delivering up to 543 horsepower. This allows for exhilarating acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.7 seconds. The i4, being electric, offers instant torque, with its top M50 variant producing 536 horsepower and hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. Both provide thrilling speed, but with distinct power delivery. Inside, both the M4 and i4 offer a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. The i4 stands out with its impressive BMW curved display, integrating a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central information screen. The M4 emphasizes sportiness with available M Sport seats and carbon fiber accents. Both vehicles come equipped with the intuitive iDrive 8.5 system, ambient lighting, and a suite of advanced safety features for a connected and comfortable journey. Considering pricing, the BMW M4 typically starts around $80,875, with higher performance variants increasing that figure. The all-electric i4 offers a more accessible entry point, beginning at approximately $53,975. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize traditional gasoline power or embrace electric mobility and its benefits. Remember to check the description below for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, both deliver an exceptional BMW experience tailored to different driving philosophies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.